How to play the Roblox without downloading it. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can play the Roblox without downloading it. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in your Google or any browser that you are using, and here you have to go on the search for the Google or the type a URL, and here you just have to search for the now GG Roblox. So now once you are in, you just have to click on it, and here is the first link of the play Roblox online for free on the PC and the mobile. You have to click on it. Now here is the option of the play in the browser. You just have to select it and click on it, and after that you are able to play the Roblox in your browser. But in my case the Roblox is currently is not available in my region, so I am not able, but in many countries it is available, so you are able to play with it. So you just have to open up it in the your new browser, and you are able to play the Roblox in your browser without downloading it. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.